Framework, maker of repairable and upgradable computers, has notified all of its customers that their data was exposed in a breach. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. According to an email the company sent, customer names, login IPs, addresses, phone numbers, and emails were accessed during a hack of the company's business database provider Metabase, but thankfully, payment information was not included in the breach. The company included Metabase's explanation in its own email, which details when the provider identified the attack on August 3rd and the actions Metabase took to address it. According to a blog on Metabase's own website, someone used an unknown zero-day vulnerability to access data, which Metabase has now identified and patched. The provider's findings and security recommendations are preliminary as of now. Metabase told Framework in an email, "We're working with a third-party forensic investigation firm to understand the full nature and scope of the event." For its part, Framework says it's rotated its credentials after it was notified of the breach and confirmed that there were no changes in admin access or access to systems outside of Metabase. The company says it's also reviewing and improving its methodology for data storage and external database vendors. A data breach couldn't have come at a worse time for Framework. Despite announcing an exciting lineup of new products earlier this year, the company has struggled with the ongoing memory shortage more than most. Framework first announced that it was raising prices in January and then raised them again in March. Not long after collecting pre-orders for the new Framework Laptop Pro, the company was also forced to include less RAM than advertised in some pre-orders to manage the growing cost of components and extend a full refund to customers who weren't willing to pay. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.